Just put it on, and it's very easy to set. Once you put it on, you just increase the timing and get it to 60 minutes. Put the calcium light on. Calcium light is very important. Every human is supposed to use the calcium light, and then put the light that is specific to what you want. It doesn't mean that if you use any other light, it harms. There's no harm in the machine. That's it. And then, or you can press the cycle. On the cycle, you can see that you can have access to all the lights. So you will notice all the lights changing right now when you press the cycle. Now each light has its healing benefit. So this man that came, because he was complaining about pains in his back, I just put the red light. The red light is anti-inflammation. He went ahead to ask me, what do you know about red light? What is the scientific whatever? How did you ask the question? I said, well, of course he knows I'm not a doctor. I said, but I know doctors tell me that most ailments, the foundational beginning of most ailments is inflammation. Yes, even cancer, it starts with inflammation. The place is inflamed. Now this machine is anti-inflammation. So what you want to do is to arrest the situation at its infancy. Okay, don't wait until it gets complicated.